Provide young students a strong science foundation with science lessons and investigations. Students explore science concepts through in-depth observation, exploration, and investigation. Each science unit supports the next generation's science standards in life science, earth science, and physical science. These comprehensive science lessons provide easy-to-use teaching resources. Each science unit includes 2 writing activities such as I Wonder prompts and research and write questions. Hands-on science investigations include hands-on activities, observations, STEM challenges, and other cross-curricular projects. Science lessons and investigations encourages critical thinking by allowing young students to apply understanding in a creative way. Evan-Moor's Science Lessons and Investigations is available for grades 1 through 6.